Ji Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you people are fine and doing well with the blessings of Almighty Allah. This is Abrar Ahmad Bhatti. Today we are going to discuss one of the compulsory subject of BBA, MBA, MCOM and even for the MS level degree, that is strategic management. Let's start. How strategy is managed. So in its broadest sense, strategic management is about taking strategic decisions that answer the above question. Strategic management is managed through strategic management process. Strategic management process, as you can see in this figure, we have three stages of strategic management process. The first stage is about strategy formulation, which involves development of vision and mission statements, leading to environmental scanning, whether internal or external. Then, after environmental analysis, we may generate, evaluate, and choose best strategies for the organization. The second stage is about strategy implementation, where we implement our best strategies. This stage is also called as action stage. And the third stage, which is the last stage of strategic management process, known as strategy evaluation and control, in which we measure and evaluate performance. Next, we have nature of strategic management. It is the art and science of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional decisions that enable an organization to achieve its objectives. As we discussed this earlier, now strategic management involves elements geared towards a firm's long-term survival and achievement of an management goals. The components of the content of a strategy making process includes a desirable future. Desirable future is about your company's vision or destiny. These components of strategy also includes resource allocation, management of the firm environment, and a competitive business ethics, which means conduct of doing business within an industry. However, in nature of strategic management, some conflicts may result in defining the content of strategy, such as differences in interaction patterns among associates. It is about management structure and interaction between them. The next conflict is about inadequacy, insufficiency of available resources, and conflicts between the firm's objectives and its environment, whether internal or external environment. Further nature of strategic management could be better understood by strategic management process. As you know, these three stages in strategy formulation, we define vision and mission statements. Environmental scanning through one of the technique, that is SWOT analysis, in which we analyze opportunities and threats which are external, and strengths and weaknesses which are internal. Further, we define long-term objectives, alternative strategies, and selection of best strategy. The next stage is strategy implementation or action stage, where we generate annual objectives and policies to support our formulated strategy. We may also require employee motivation, resource allocation, employee goals, job description, performance appraisal, training, etc. Hence, overall activities of the organization to implement formulated strategy. The third stage is strategy evaluation and control, which is a process of monitoring corporate activities and performance results so that actual performance can be compared with desired performance. Such a comparison is initiated by doing internal and external review or analysis. Some performances, matrices, techniques, and lastly, taking corrective measures if any deviation occurred in the desired performance. In the next slide, we have benefits of strategic management. The financial benefits include improvement in sales, improvement in profitability, and productivity improvement, while some non-financial benefits are better understanding of competitor strategy, enhanced awareness of threats, reduced resistance to change while adopting any technology or organizational change. And the fourth one is improved problem prevention capabilities, as strategic management is a continuous process. There are also some advantages of international operations through strategic management. The first one is it absorbs excess capacity and makes organization one unit. Secondly, reduce unit cost, then spread risk over wider markets, which means adoption of expansion or growth strategy. And lastly, low cost production facility through gaining status of economies of scale. We have also some disadvantages of international operations. Number one is difficult communications. Second, underestimates foreign competition. Third, cultural barrier to effective management. And fourth, complications arising from currency differences or exchange rates. Thanks for listening. That's all for now. May you get some benefit of it. In case of any query or confusion, you may contact me through email or WhatsApp. At last, do subscribe and like my channel and share with all. Take care of yourselves and others. Jazakallah.